Okay guys, the main composition of our Sunfusion infusion workstation as follows. The power concentrator, the infusion pump, and the plug-in box. Another one is the software ID3. We will show the detailed information for you next live show. Most of our clients will care about the package before place order. In our company, different products with different package, but all of them have passed shockproof and drop-proof test. They will completely and safety to your adherence. Next is our unbox show. This is our power concentrator, and we print its picture in the front and the back side. In the left and the right side, we print some safety symbols here. Also put a label. It includes the company information and the power concentrator information. Okay, let's open the box. After we open the box, you will see they have a plastic bag. We put a user's manual of this power concentrator here. Okay, take out the power concentrator. You will see we use sponge to fix the power concentrator inside of the box to protect it during the transportation. This is the power concentrator. This is plug-in box. You can see a picture on the box. Here is a safe label and the label of the information. Now let's open the box. After opening the box, you will see the user menu and the number. We can put number on the infusion pumps 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is the glass. And then let's take off the plug-in box. We also use the sponge to fix the plug-in box inside of the box. Okay, this is our plug-in box. The last one is the host of an infusion pump. Picture on the box. Safety label here and the machine's label information label here. Let's open the box. After opening the box, the first one you will take is the user's manual 2. And then let's show you how we make the package. Here we use the sponge fixed the machine here to protect its safe during transportation. This one is screwdriver and the power plug. This is the clamp. The clamp. Okay, last one is the host. This is our infusion pump. Okay, that's all for our unbox show. Thanks.